Slow down a bit.
Slow down. Up, down now. Up, down. Yep, now you got your rhythm. Up, down, up, down.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll send you something through now. Okay, bye.
Turn around, Lil. Stop, Lil. Stop, Lil. Good girl, and you did exactly what I asked you to do. Put your weight on your pony's back.
Just try trotting a little bit slower.
Oh.
For Julie's sake.
Yeah.
Charlie hates running with you,
Yeah.
and that's why it's easier if I... Okay, shorten up. You right, darling? Now look at me. Tip your hat back. Don't take... Yeah, that's it. Good girl. Now look at me. Now trot towards me. Little squeeze. Little squeeze. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, but keep that rhythm.
Whoop there. You've got to go up, down, not forward. She's sort of going forward instead of straight up, down. What sort of rissoles does she like? Any sort of rissoles?
Started off good. Keep going. One,
Huh?
two, one, two. Think I'm in
These
your
are
head.
country
One,
style, I don't
two,
know if
one,
spicy or
two.
whatever.
The rhythm is a bit quicker than
There's
that.
plenty of different sauces.
Good girl. Hands down. One, two, one, two, one, two. One, two.
Yeah, the number
Yep,
I've
good
got
girl,
for
keep
engine
going. That's the
911.
rhythm. That's the rhythm.
If that's not the one you've got, message me back and I'll find a pen and write down and text it through to you.
Yeah.
But engine 911. Okay, bye.
Okay, come this way. Right, take that riding camera off my phone. Okay, Lil, head up and look at me. Don't look down now. One, two, one, two. Keep going, keep going. Good girl, yes, that's it, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
That's why I say
Beautiful.
it helps. Okay, you turn around and ride back up. Head up, look up to where you're riding. Yes, 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 good, good girl. Don't put in extra beat. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. That's it, whoop, whoop.
She's sitting up a lot straighter then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, hands down. Little squeeze. Yes. Keep going. Good girl. Yes, Lil.
Go, Lil.
Good girl. Excellent. One more time. Don't let him go there. Don't let him go there.
Pull back.
Hand down.